Residents in St. Thomas are fed up this evening, complaining about the bad condition of the Richmond Gap Vale Main Road. TVJ's Shamela Pullen has their plight and appeal to the authorities.
Frustrated.
We need the road to fix, because if the road don't fix, me can't get to go through.
It's been a rough ride for persons who have to use the Richmond Gap Vale Main Road in St. Thomas. Road work, which started over a month ago, is now affecting commuters and taxi operators. Attendance at some schools has also dropped. One man complained that he got hurt and damaged his motorbike while using the area.
I drop off, broke up my things. See the whole of this broke up. The whole of this broke up. So I need some money and to fix it back. Can you give me?
The vehicle that will take them from Richmond, some come from Richmond Gap. Some is coming from Halbin Mountain. A bus would pass through and take them to school in the morning. Because of the road condition, the bus cannot come this way. And one occasion, the busman came to help the children drive up the road that they say that a detour off. When he reached part of the road, because of the amount of river sand and stone that they threw on the road, the busman have to turn back because he could not go up with the bus.
They say the alternative route makes the journey much more difficult and is costing them a lot of money.
Because it costs all the market people and the eagle them a ton of money. Because mafia drive way around. So by the time them do what them a do and go to town, it come like say them a sell for pay a taxi man. Them not get no profit out of them earning or nothing like that because of the condition of Richmond Vale Road.
The people are appealing for the road work to be completed soon.
We are animal. Come on, man, do something better.
When TVJ News contacted the National Works Agency, NWA, we were told that residents have refused to use a better alternative route through Ginger Hill. Meanwhile, a timeline for the completion of road work has not been given. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.